Good evening, everyone. Myself Pravin Varshne, and I am from Delhi. Our company name is Printing and Packaging Solutions. We deal in the printing and packaging consumables, machinery, and job placements. And I chose this export and import market, basically business, because payment is secure and we don't have so much fund to
Yes, true.
invest in the market in this pandemic situation.
Wow, that's perfect. And I think the good market is African country. You have to focus on that.
Pardon, sir?
I think आपको African market focus करना चाहिए आपकी product के regarding.
Okay, definitely, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Pravin ji, and I am bidding you lots of luck in future. So definitely कोई भी काम के लिए आप कभी भी connect कर सकते हैं, please. Yeah.
Definitely, sir. My pleasure. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.